Good morning. It's smoothie day. Yay. Here comes Sammy. I've got a few frozen raspberries. Oh, I don't want that many in there. I got those the other day at Albertsons. Buy one, get one free. So I just froze them. All right, let's see what I got in here. Banana, raspberry, blueberry, protein powder, green powder. Peanut butter. What? You want smoothie? You want smoothie? Oh, you. All right. She says, no, you know what I want. You know what I want. Let's see if we can do it. Ready? Good catch. Did I catch it on film? Did I? I don't know. Good morning. This phone stand. I miss my truck. I really do. I should drive it more often, huh? No. Sammy's like, what's that noise? It's the windshield wiper. The pump obviously works. And it's spitting. And I checked the levels and it was full. I don't know. Maybe they just clog up. How do you unclog a windshield wiper thingy? I need to get out here and I'll move my microphone because that's going to sit right there. Get out here and clean my windows. That's what I need to do. I went like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days without dumping or getting water. Yeah. My tanks are full, and I'm out of water. So today, I'm off. I'm off for the next 3 days. Yay. So I am going to go dump, get water, go get propane. Yep. I need to do laundry. I don't know if I'll do that today. I might not. Haven't decided. Need some fun in the day, don't I? Need to go do something fun since I've worked for the last 3 days. It feels weird driving my truck. It feels weird. Still smoky. Still smoky from the fires. Oh, goodness. If I do go do laundry, I'm probably going to bring the truck back, get my laundry, and then go back. I know it's a double. Or I could go to Cimarron, get me a cheeseburger at Creamies. That'd be nice. I've been cooking so much, I haven't really gone out to eat, have I? No, I don't think so. So, that might be a plan too. Drive to Cimarron. I don't know. I'm so indecisive today. I need to come down here and talk to this lady. Wonder if she's going to be open today. Oh, I've missed the building. Talk to this lady. I think her name's Christine. Oh, holder's not holding. When we first got here, she is going to produce a calendar. Fish Fest. What is that? Oh, I need to go back and read that sign. Um, she was going to produce a calendar of pets, and Sammy and Finn. She came and took pictures of Sammy and Finn, and I forgot all about it. She hadn't brought us a calendar. She hasn't. So I need to go check on that. See if she ever did it, and if she has any calendars. I want a calendar if Sammy and Finn are in it. Okie dokie. Smoky. Yeah, it's still smoky, isn't it? That's done. Dump got water. Lasts me another week. Week to 10 days. Yeah. Boy, it is already hot out there. It's 9:23, and I was just cooking. Oh, Sammy's like, you're cooking? She says, I know that word. I know what that means. She says, but you're not cooking, Mama. You're not cooking. Oh. Now let's go get some propane. Propane's done. Dumping water's done. It's, now I'm kind of thinking tacos from El Jefe. So, I don't know. Somebody needs to put air in their airbags. How many times do I say that when I get in the truck? It's about 26 times now, huh? Oh, I ate that smoothie. I drank that smoothie, and it was good, but I'm hungry. I'm hungry, Sammy. You hungry? She says, I know that word too. She says, is this all about cooking and being hungry? That's just mean, isn't it? That's just mean. Yeah, I'm going to go back and get the van and leave Sammy home because it's hot. I don't want to park the camper, the laundry here in Angel Fire, the laundry mat. They have parking in the back, but then you have to, of course, walk all that way with your clothes. I don't want to do that. I like this road is washboardy. Washboardy. So I think I will come back here, do laundry. I filled both my tanks hoping that this is the last propane fill that I have to come here and do that. It was 7.7 and it was $42. Is that right? It's expensive here. So I went ahead and filled both tanks, got them both filled up. So hopefully that is the last time I have to get propane. I'm starting to think about my leaving here. So yeah. So I'm thinking I don't really need to go back to Walmart, I don't think. However, I meant to go to the casino in Taos and I didn't do it. That might get me a trip back through Taos. We'll see. Not really feeling it this week. I'm tired this week. I have not slept good the last several nights and I can't figure out why. But It's cool enough. It's been 40, I think this morning it was 44 when I got up. I was like, oh, it's chilly. It's starting to cool down. Other than now the temperatures are going to be back in the 80s. It showed for the next week 80, 81, not too bad, but the sun is brutal. It is, isn't it, Sammy? Let's see, I've got a half a tank. I could put it off another week filling up, but I could go ahead and fill up and then it would be ready to go when I do pull out of here. Anyway, let's go get the van. Oh, and I'm going to leave you home. I'm going to leave you home. The switcheroo. Yoo-hoo. I don't even want to go do this. Tacos will make it easier, right? Yes. Tacos. Got my laundry basket. Let's go. I was going to get diesel in the truck. I just drove right past there. Didn't even think about it. Sometimes. A lot of the time. I worry about myself. Alright. It's time to do laundry. Tacos. Well, not yet. Cerveza. That looks good. Put a lime on the coconut. Oh no, that's pineapple. Practice station. Chairlift bike loading. Okay, now I'm at Lowe's. I'm going to pick up some crab meat, some crab salad. Yeah, I eat that like candy. Anyway, well, that was fun. I didn't realize that they did. I thought that, well, I don't know why, because I've not heard anything, but I just thought the bike track was like a track. But you put your bike on the lift and go up, I don't know how far, and then you ride back down. So I was thinking, I bet, because I think it was every other chair was a bike rack. So I bet in the winter they switch out the carts and then they're just, ski lifts. So how cool is that? That is so cool. So the taco was really, really good. One taco. Put in the comments below how much you think it cost. And what do you think the beer and the taco cost? Remember, I'm in a resort town, tourist town, so yeah, it's pretty expensive. All right, I'm gonna go in here and get some crab salad and check to see if they have any mild green chilies while I'm here. All right, let's go. Try to find the cheapest. The van is packed. All right, let's go home.